Stocks on the deep, we have EPSM, STEC, ISPC, DSY, and FIEE. We'll begin with EPSM, down 58.7%. It has it's contracting the expansion that happened yesterday, the 9th of September, wherein it printed this intraday high of $155. The stock is still trading outside of its Keltner channel on a think or swim, implying that there's a good chance it may have to come back into the channel, or the channel may expand to accommodate it. So it doesn't have any extrapolation yet on trading view based on the indicator we're using, because it hasn't been around that long enough. However, we have downward projection of 27.12. Okay, that will be close to a 50% discount to current levels, the current price in this pre-market session. Price pressure momentum, let's see what we have down here. Still strongly bullish, even with a loss of 58.7%. That tells you the immense amount of gains it ran up yesterday. It ran up a gain of more than 411%. However, this stock is also incorporated in a jurisdiction where you need to be really careful. Okay, you need to be really careful. Rock pools come along with the stock, so you have to be very careful about the stock. You need to be very much aware of that. Okay, let's quickly apply the market grid, and we'll see where the stock is trading and see if there's any support available. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so the stock is at just okay between the resistance and the support levels. It has a couple of supports. Not that it's going to be delightful to you. 40.7 to 20.18, and then up below that, nothing else. It's severely negative, and obviously stocks don't trade in negative prices. It just points to you. It just points to the fact that there are way sub-fractional prices that it can drop to. So just be very much aware that it plays into the assertion that manipulators follow stocks from such jurisdictions. Okay, so we'll move on to the next, which will be STEC. STEC down 36.3%. Intraday high in yesterday's session, 7.12. Let's see whether it's also a case of contracting the expansion. It looks like it. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay. Okay, the extrapolation here is saying that it's going to consolidate. It's going to begin to consolidate from let's just say from tomorrow's pre-market session, but lower prices are expected to keep playing out in this session of Wednesday the 10th. Then, well, as a matter of fact, from now it's expected that it's going to continue to consolidate up till Friday the 19th of September. It's also trading within its market grid. Here we have market grid. Stock is currently, the current price is at 1.92 or thereabout. So it is trading in between the support and resistance zones, indicating that yes, you may continue to print lower prices, or it may hold there, or it could also rebound. Yeah, price pressure momentum. See what we have down here. We have to remove this market grid. Okay, they are all strongly bullish, still strongly bullish, even with a decline of 36.63%. They're still strongly bullish, still in a very strong trend mode, indicating the amount of buying that took place yesterday. And all along, it never dropped. It has not closed below its 10-period moving average. Closing meaning in this case, after every 10 since it began, if since it spiked yesterday, the on Monday, as a matter of fact, on Monday the 8th, yeah, it's since then it spiked. The spike began, I think, probably, okay, let's just say midday, so, or pre-market session of Monday, or okay, let's just say, yeah, pre-market session of Monday the 8th. It hasn't closed below its 10-period moving average, meaning it hasn't, after every 4 hours since that spike, it has never been found below its 10-period moving average. This is a 4 hour chart. Every 4 hours it prints, depending on when it starts. Maybe I think it starts from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. New York time, and then next one 12 p.m. New York time. Then next one close at the close of the trading session, which is 4 p.m. So from 8 p.m. on Monday, the 8th of September, it has never closed below its 10-period moving average. So the 10-period moving average is also serving as a primary demand line. It has done that once. It did that yesterday in 8 p.m. as well. Today, it looks like it's also doing so as well. Okay, so let's see where this company is incorporated. Strongly bullish now. Okay, it's also one of those places you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Don't be carried away by what I've just said about its very short term performance, very short term signals that has exhibited. So let's look at the next. It is ISPC. ISPC down 22.16. It also looks like it's a contraction of yesterday's expansion. ISPC. Okay, so here we have the extrapolation saying it's going to, consolidate cyclically. It's going to consolidate cyclically with a bias to the upside, especially after an expected decline to the lows of around 1.28 by tomorrow's pre-market session, tomorrow the 11th of September. Yeah, okay. Projections, what do we have? We have $1. It's a downward projection. Currently $1, but before now it had 1.37, and so the 14th of August they had 1.91, 2.28, 2.73, 3.01. Intraday high yesterday 3.69. So that's an upper projection. Given that it got rejected there, or it has pulled back, it pulled back from there. It's also an indication that it makes it an upper projection. It is a high that has traded before. As such, it is one that it has to demonstrate that it can challenge, it can surpass, it can break through. So it is an upper projection. Okay, ISPC. Let's see. Do we have any news? No fresh news. In a very short time, it is strongly bullish. Okay, it's a U.S. company. Okay, let's see DSY. DSY down 28.73% yesterday as well. It had an intraday high of 40.12. It's also contracting this time around. The stock, the price has come back into its price channel. It's giving up everything. It looks like it's stabilizing. We'll find out. DSY, let's see. Let us see. DSY, okay. Yeah, okay. So extrapolation saying that we're gonna have a bounce. Um, yeah, from today's trading session, and that bounce remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow the 11th, and then it's gonna be a sideways movement, a consolidation going all the way towards Friday the 19th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 1.1. What's yeah okay? It's a downward projection 1.1. Yeah, the stock has come back into its price channel. We could try and have a look at that here. Let's have a look and see what the price pressure. Okay, still robustly bullish, still robustly, still robustly trending. Even with a decline of 27.27%, even with giving up all the gains, even giving up all the gains from 40.12, still trending. Yeah, indicating some that the selling pressure hasn't gone far enough, still has more room to go. At the same time, as well, indicating that the buying pressure was immense, it may provide a buffer. But let's just see what the trading range is saying. Let's apply the market greed. Okay, so the stock is at 2.04 now. Is it $2 or thereabout? That's what it's called, 2.02. So it's between the resistance and support zones, pretty much like what we have here as well. So it's just neutral now, indicating that it may well continue to correct, or yeah, maybe after this consolidation, the uptrend may resume or may decline. But right now it's been it's the expansion is getting contracted. Yeah, we don't know how long it's going to last or anything like that. So we'll just see. Okay, the next is FIEE. FIEE down 18.92%. Yesterday was quite a volatile one, trading between within 4 hours. It had traded between 1.74 and 4.43, but it has recovered from the lows of that session. Yeah, and but still down 18.92%. Let's see. FIEE. No extrapolations on this 4 hour chart. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, still coming up. Okay, price pressure momentum. Let's see what we have. Okay, now severely bearish. Yeah, severely bearish now. Projections are saying 2.68. We have here 4.43. So 4.43 in addition to the 2.68. Okay, very strongly bullish in the interim. In the very short time, it's been strongly bullish. It's a US company. Yeah, it's a US company. Okay, it is a US company. Okay, so okay, let's rebound projections. Do we have anything? Yeah, we have upper projections here, 4.43. It may well also print lower prices. Yeah, yeah, we have 0.8375, 1.13, 1.61. These lower prices were printed on the 12th of August. Yeah, let's see. Do we have any news for FIEE? No news. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.